Oh! Oh non gros! Oh!
Hope he will be fine. He's a hero, 100%. He's a hero because what we see on the social media, he's 100% hero.
Oh!
C'est un malade.
Oh non gros! Oh!
Ouais, mais son pote, il va se faire tirer dessus. Il est trop con, le mec qui a l'arme.
December 14th, 2025 was a dreadful day for Australia as a mass shooting at Sydney's Bondi Beach killed 15 innocent people. This turned into the deadliest attack in the country in years. A father and son, Sajid and Naveen Akram, attacked a Hanukkah celebration on Sydney's Bondi Beach on Sunday, killing 15 people and injuring dozens of others. During the horrific incident taking place, a man ran and disarmed one of the gunmen. He is now being heralded as a hero who saved several lives. Ahmed Al-Ahmed crouched behind a parked car before sneaking up behind a gunman, grabbing him and wrestling away his firearm. The bystander then points the weapon at the gunman, who falls to the ground.
Still, he's in the hospital and we don't know exactly what's going inside, but they said the doctor he's very okay, and next 2 hours they let us to go in and see Ahmed because he's still inside and he do the operation, but we hope he will be fine. He's a hero, 100%. He's a hero because what we see on the social media, he's 100% hero. Yeah, he have 2 shots, one in his arm here and one in his hand.
The Premier of New South Wales also hailed Ahmed Al-Ahmed for tackling one of the gunmen during the Bondi Beach shooting.
I think it's the most unbelievable scene I've ever seen. A man walking up to a gunman who had fired on the community